Trade Center lines are subject to delays because of the track condition in Hoboken. To repeat, Southern service in the Hoboken 33rd, Jonesboro 33rd, and the Hoboken World Trade Center line are subject to delays because of the track condition in Hoboken.